What if you could create wildly viral content that generates insane engagement and passive income just by making photos sing?
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now?
I'm talking about a groundbreaking AI tool that turns any image into a fully lip-synced musical performance. No complex editing, no voiceovers, and no camera. This isn't fluff. This could be your faceless YouTube automation goldmine, and it's easier than you think. In a sea of content where everyone's copying each other, this method helps you stand out instantly. Imagine a cute animated animal singing a lullaby.
Happy birthday.
Or the Mona Lisa singing a modern song.
Reaching higher.
Welcome to the untapped power of Mango AI. Today, I'll show you step by step how to use it and how to turn it into a viral, faceless YouTube channel that makes real money. Then stick around till the end because I'll also reveal 5 low competition niches you can start right now with this new Mango AI singing photo feature, including one I guarantee you've never thought of. If you're ready to automate your content and scale your earnings, smash that like button and subscribe to Money Mastery Hub. Let's dive in. The tool making this possible is Mango AI. It's one of the easiest and fastest AI video generators I've ever used. Inside Mango AI, you'll find multiple AI features and tools, but today we're focusing on the one that brings any image to life, the singing photo feature. Let's try the singing animal feature first. Click the link in the description or pinned comment and sign up with your email. You'll land on a clean, beginner-friendly dashboard. At the top, you'll see options like singing photo and singing animal. Click Singing Animal. Upload any animal photo or pick one from Mango AI's built-in cartoon-style templates. For this demo, let's use this cute koala photo. Upload your audio. As a free user, you can upload up to 1 minute of audio. Use the 1-minute sample song linked in the pinned comment to test it out. Choose a singing style that matches the tone of your song. You can even adjust the pose and lip sync of your animal character, adjusting the intensity using a scale. Then click Generate.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
It's super simple. Now that we've made a cute koala baby sing a bedtime poem, let me show you something even cooler. What happens when you upload a famous painting instead of cartoon? Let's try the Mona Lisa, and yes, she can sing too. Click on Singing Photo. Upload any photo, your own, or pick one from Mango AI's built-in realistic templates. For this demo, let's use the Mona Lisa. Upload your audio. Choose a singing style. Match the tone of your song. Then click Generate.
Show us your embrace.
That's it. No timeline, no editing. Just click and it's done. Pretty amazing, right? But here's the crazy part. People are turning videos like this into passive income streams. So, why are singing photos a goldmine? Because they're inherently captivating. They combine novelty, visual appeal, and the universal power of music. Think about children's content, a massive, evergreen niche. Kids love songs, cute characters, and adorable animals. Now, imagine creating a channel where animated animals sing nursery rhymes or bedtime poems using just images and AI. You're tapping into high retention and massive ad revenue potential. And if you think this is just theory, then think again. A while back, AI baby videos completely blew up the internet. Creators were getting millions of views from simple talking baby clips. The result? Thousands of dollars earned by creators. When you combine AI plus storytelling with cute or engaging characters, people watch. And singing photos are just the next step in that evolution, but barely anyone's doing it yet. Singing photo videos are short, repeatable, and super shareable. And if you upgrade to Mango AI Pro, you unlock even more characters, poses, and styles to make professional content. As promised, here are 5 underrated niches you can dominate with Mango AI's singing features. AI learning songs, AI pet memes, personalized singing greetings, myth and folklore ballads, and daily affirmation singers. Mango AI makes viral, high-retention video creation simple. If you're serious about building a faceless YouTube channel that prints views and grows fast, smash that like button, subscribe to Money Mastery Hub, and let me know in the comments. What song will your first AI photo sing? Check the description for all links, free poem packs, and niche ideas. Let's build something viral together. See you in the next one, Money Masterminds.